Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to understand the Stockx fees. So for the buyers guys, there is not much fees to understand about. They are basic. You're simply gonna go here and basically choose a product. This is the price that you will pay. But as of a seller, of course the platform has to take some kind of commission with you. You are selling on their platform, using it to advertise your product and sell your product. Of course, they will need to make money with you. So how can we make that happen? How can we calculate our profit depending on how much commission they will take with us? So there is a plan on Stockx. There is like kind of like a level in progress. So depending on your level, you will be getting less commissions or they will take with you less fees. So let's go and read this out. There is 5 levels on this platform. Level 1, level 2, 3, and 4, and finally 5. Dependent, you can get higher in the actual level by two things or either one of them. So either to have at least, for example, for level 1, you don't have to really have anything, but for level 2 you either have to make 12 sales or basically in money you have to make $1,500. You can simply sell one item and you will get eventually to level 2. On level 3, 40 sales or $5,000. Level 4, 200 sales or 25K. Level 5, 800 sales or $100,000. Now, for the fees, here you can see them. So for level 1, they will take 9% of your total selling price. Level 2, 8.5, level 3, 8%, level 4, 7.5, and level 5, they will be cutting with you 7%. So it's very clear and easy to understand. You simply have to multiply it by this percentage, the amount of the product that you will be selling, and basically you will have how much they will take with you. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.